What up, though? I'm Chrissy. I am the programs director.
I'm B, lead designer.
And I'm Dean, founder and director of the Hendricks Foundation. Welcome to Access to All. This story starts off with 3 people in an elevator, 2 donors, and 1 computer. They had a computer in their hand that was just gonna go and contribute to the 200,000 tons of e-waste that Michigan throws out each year. Being a previous victim of the digital divide growing up in Jamaica, I couldn't let that happen myself. And even today, seeing that 7 in 10 students in Detroit are still victims of the same divide that we were supposed to cross a long time ago had a great effect on me. And even so, over 20,000 jobs are let out each month for the tech community. But only 8% of those jobs are filled by people of color. For that, we developed a 3-step solution. I told those 2 donors that I could take that laptop, repair it, and get it in the hand of a student who needs it. We also told them about a tech course, something where we will take that same computer that they donate, teach a student how to repair it, and at the end of the day, they're able to take that laptop home. Instead of, just producing a device and it being sold to you, we're taking that device and putting it on its next cycle. Taking that donated device, repairing it, and sometimes even teaching a course. But at the end of the day, no matter what, a student gets a device in the end.
And I am so excited to tell you that those over 700 devices that were donated, it also went into over 3,500 tons of recycled devices, which helped over 100 students cross the digital divide.
Why choose us?
Because
no one does what we
do.
do. No one.
No one does what we do.
Yeah.
We have a really diverse team.
Currently, around 30% of e-waste is being recycled in the state of Michigan. There is a large gap where up to around 60% of additional e-waste can be recycled. We want to use our program to tap into that margin to make it up to 90% that can be recycled. This year has been our first year diving into some profit. Through programs, partnerships, and grants, we've been able to get around a $3,000 surplus. And even today, we made another sale on some computers that has brought up that margin. Next year, we project to make much more. Though we started off with just 54 computers, we've gone into receiving over 700 computers on just a small mission in 2022. And next year, we're projected to do even more. That number may even go up to over 1,000. Who knows? How can you help bridge the digital divide, bridge the gap? We need a space. We need a facility, an e-waste facility that we can use to take all of those devices, process them, repair them, and even teach some tech courses so that we can take that e-waste and turn it into something that doesn't just go into a landfill. We need more funding. We need help creating these programs so that we can teach students how to not just take these computers and use them to go on YouTube, play video games, or do whatever, create a TikTok video, who knows. We want them to know that these computers can be used to develop skills and create something that will not just lead them into learning something and help them with their education, but also help themselves cross the digital divide. And always, last but not least, you can always donate. Please scan the QR code to learn more, and thanks for being here today.